Have you ever wished your investments could run on autopilot while you focus on your daily life? Today, we're taking a quick look at Autopilot, an investing app designed to help users automatically follow and copy investment strategies inspired by well-known investors, politicians, and market trends. The idea behind the app is simple. Instead of spending hours researching stocks and monitoring the market, users can connect their brokerage account and choose a portfolio strategy they want to follow. The app then helps automate the investing process based on that selected strategy. One of the features that attracts many users is the ability to track portfolios associated with public figures and investment themes. This creates an easy way for beginners to gain exposure to different investment approaches without needing advanced market knowledge. The app offers a clean and user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for people who are new to investing. Setting up an account is straightforward, and the automation tools can save time compared to manually managing trades. However, it's important to remember that no investing app can guarantee profits. Markets are unpredictable, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Investors should always do their own research and understand the risks before investing real money. Overall, Autopilot is an interesting option for people looking for a more hands-off investing experience. Whether you're a beginner or simply want to automate part of your portfolio, it may be worth exploring. What do you think about automated investing apps? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more finance and investing content.